United Nations Emergency Alert System. This is an official message from the United Nations Security Council. Date, September 29, 2026. Attention, all individuals within and surrounding the affected oblast of the Russian Federation are instructed to follow these directives immediately. 1. Evacuate to a minimum safe distance of 20 kilometers from the designated exclusion zone. 2. Do not approach the central aperture or surrounding terrain. Reports confirm that buildings, streets, and farmland within the village perimeter have undergone organic transformation. Surfaces previously composed of stone, wood, and soil are now exhibiting flesh-like biological matter. 3. Avoid direct contact with altered material. Do not touch, inhale, or consume any substance originating from within the zone. 4. Report unusual symptoms, including dizziness, nausea, skin irritation, or auditory hallucinations, to the nearest medical station or UN field officer. The United Nations, in cooperation with the Russian Federation, has deployed several research teams to investigate. Scientific certainty is extremely limited. We do not yet understand the origin, mechanism, or potential spread of this phenomenon. This has been an official United Nations emergency alert. Further information will be broadcast at 1800 hours UTC or earlier if necessary.